Hello there, welcome back. Today, let's draw a boy with umbrella. So, grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens and let's start together. First, let's start with the boy. So, draw a circle for the face and the hair. Now, let's draw the eyes, mouth and ears. And now let's draw the body. Now let's draw the umbrella. First, let's draw two lines for the shaft and the handle. After that, let's draw the canopy. Now, let's draw the raindrops. Now, using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. And then erase the pencil traces and let's start the coloring. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.